Years after coming to market, Tesla owners are still finding ways to take advantage of the connectivity features of the electric vehicles. Now, a Tesla owner managed to take remote delivery of a package with his Model X by using Tesla's mobile app and a Ring doorbell. Tesla's mobile app enables access to remotely activate some features of the automaker's electric vehicles. You can remotely unlock and start the car if you need to let someone who doesn't have a key fob drive it, or you can open the trunk or the front to let someone access the vehicle. Model X owner Ryan Ross in the UK combined that capability with his Ring doorbell, a Wi-Fi-enabled video doorbell that enables you to answer the door remotely with your phone, to accept delivery of an Amazon package. Here's a video of how it works. It's particularly interesting because Amazon is currently trying to make that an actual service called Amazon Key and Car Delivery. But it's currently only available in a select few cities and compatible with a few car models from Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Cadillac, and Volvo. The combination of a video doorbell and a Tesla vehicle makes the feature virtually available anywhere. Do you have any other useful lesser-known ways to leverage Tesla's connectivity features? Let us know in the comment section below.